Hello Vivekians, here is your Chandni ma'am. I welcome you to the fifth day of your chapter number 1, that is early humans. Students, first of all let's take a recap that you had studied in the previous video. Students, in the previous video you had studied about the invention of the wheels and raft, that how early humans invented wheel and rafts. Students, you have learned that by the invention of wheel, early humans used wheel in many ways. For example, drawing water from a well, used spinning wheel for weaving, used potter wheel for making clay utensils, and they have used floating logs also for making rafts. Okay students, now let's start today's work. Open your course book everyone. Page number 8. Write down the date first of all. Today I am going to explain you about the earliest township, a peep into history. Students, here in figure number 7 you can see that it is the oldest township in India, which is 4500 years old along the river Indus. Now I am going to read this line. Listen to me everyone. People, places and things kept changing and villages developed into townships. Here, slowly and slowly, when mind of early humans grown up, they developed their villages into township. Come to next page. In figure number 8 we will discuss about the Indus Valley civilization. Before that, first of all I will explain you the meaning of Indus Valley civilization. It is a Bronze Age civilization that encompassed the area of modern day Pakistan as well as parts of southeastern Afghanistan, eastern Iran and northwestern India, and its mature period is known as the Harappan civilization, existing from 2600 to 1900 BCE. Here, the Bronze Age means the period of ancient human culture characterized by the use of bronze. Now I am going to read this para. Listen to me carefully. The above image shows part of a well-planned city, Mohenjo-daro, built along the river Indus and its tributaries. It means above image is showing a well-planned city, which is Mohenjo-daro, built along the river Indus and its along tributaries also. Here, tributaries means when two or more bodies of water meet together, that is known as tributaries. The region stretched from the foothills of the Himalayas in the north across Punjab and Haryana up to the coastal plains of Gujarat. It means जो region है वो stretch हुआ था हिमालयाज के foothills से लेके north तक across Punjab and Haryana up to the Gujarat के coastal plains तक. The town of this region had houses built of bricks and were laid out in rows. It means houses of this region were built of bricks and they all were laid out in rows also. They had a proper drainage system, a public bath and a granary where grains were stored. It means they had a proper drainage system also. Here drainage system means it is the natural removal of surface water and a subsurface water from an area with excess of water, and they had a public bath also. A public bath means a house used for the purpose of bathing, and a granary also where all the grains were stored in it. The townships were perhaps destroyed by floods or earthquake. It means all the townships which were built are now destroyed by floods or earthquake. Here floods means an overflow of large amount of water beyond its limit, and earthquake means a sudden violent shaking of the ground. What we see today are the remains of this township. It means today what we have with us is only the remain of this township. Here remains means things that are left from the distant past. The archaeologists have found many statues, pottery pieces, toys and even jewelry which were worn by men and women. Here archaeologists have found pottery pieces, statues, toys and even jewelry also which were worn by men and women in earlier time. statues of Lord Shiva have also been discovered. Here, statue of Lord Shiva have also been discovered by them. Now, this is all about today. It's time to remember some important instructions. If you don't have book or fair notebook, maintain your work in any notebook which is available at your home. Image of each and every page is being provided to you. Do your work neatly and according to the pattern. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you. Bye bye.